this video, let's see how to order Alicia Souza 2024 planner. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl. Today I'm going to walk through how you can place your order for the 2024 planner by Alicia Souza. So this is their website. So their planner is still not available on Amazon as for today that I've checked it. So if you want to order, you can place an order on their official website, which I will link it down below for you guys. And once you click, this is how it looks. You can click the banner also. It will redirect to the planner page, or you can even click this 2024 collection and you can choose planners and calendars or whatever you want. Let's just click this banner image. So this is how it looks. If you want to order the trio, you can click add to cart, or if you want just the planner, you can click whether you want hardbound or Viro planner and click add to cart. You can either add to cart in this page, or you can even go click and then add to cart. So if you want to know the difference between trio and how the planner this year, I already made a video of my first impression of Alicia Souza 2024 planner, linked in the description. For the video purpose, I'm just going to click on the planner, but as I mentioned, if you want trio, just click on the trio and click on add to cart. Okay, so let's go back. So I'm going to click on the planner. So planner is currently priced at 2,399 rupees and it's a Viro planner. They do have hardbound variant as well. So once you're clear on what you want, like Viro planner or hardbound or the trio, just click add to cart. As you can see, it's added to the cart. Now for the shipping, taxes and discount codes can be calculated at the checkout. So just click on checkout. And if you want more than one planner, you can add the quantity in the previous step itself. Like if you're purchasing for your friend or any other family member, you can just add the quantity, but let's just skip it one. Okay, once you do that, this is how it looks. There is the ultimate 2024 Viro planner plus pocket planner plus Stickaholic book. So you'll be getting yearly planner plus a pocket plan carry along with you wherever you go, and a Stickaholic book, which is just a sticker book with lots of cute stickers from the brand. So the total is 2,399. So if you have gift card, you can avail it in this step. And for shipping details, we have to enter the shipping address so that we can get it. So you can enter your email address here so that you will get the updates through your email. And here you can enter your country or region. They ship worldwide, so you can place an order. And first name you can write, last name you can write, you can enter the address, you can enter the city, and you can enter the pin code, and then you can enter the phone number. So this phone number, make sure it's working so that the delivery person can contact you for landmark to your home or your address. So make sure it's available. And if you want to save the information for next time, you can click this tick box, or else you don't want. And once I filled out the shipping details, I have mentioned shipping is free, so that's good. Then for billing address, you can click on same as shipping address or use a different billing address. And payment is Razorpay secure. So let's see how it is. Okay, this is how it looks, Razorpay. So you can enter the number. So these are the preferred payment method. You can pay through UPI, Google Pay or Phone Pay, and there is also cards accepted, credit card, debit card, UPI, and net banking, wallet. There is actually a lot of wallets available. In wallet, there are Phone Pay, Amazon Pay, Bajaj Pay, MobiKwik, Freecharge, Airtel Payments Bank, Ola Money, Jio Money, and all those wallet. And there is also EMI, so you can use your credit card and you can buy the planner in EMI if you want. So the credit card EMI options are from banks such as HDFC, ICICI, RBL, IndusInd, HSBC and S Bank. So for an example, let's just click on HDFC, and if you want like 12 months EMI plan, then you have to pay 217 rupees 0.66 for 12 months. If you want to finish the EMI plan within 9 months, you can pay 284 for 9 months and 418 rupees for 6 months and 821 rupees for 3 months. So according to your EMI options, you can go for EMI if you want, but credit card, UPI, net banking, all other stuff is also available. And once you made your payment and click on the pay now button, done, your order will be placed. And if you want to know more about this year's Alicia Souza planner range before placing an order, then do check out this video on the screen right now, which is made for you just to get to know more about this year's planner launch. And I will see you guys in that video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.